name's Chris Brown. B&B's been in my family since 1972. I'm third generation. I love working for the family business. I think we set ourselves apart, the way we treat the employees and the customers, giving them hands-on experience when they come in the shop. We've got 200 plus years of experience on our counter. Two guys have been here almost 40 years apiece. My grandfather always said people do business with people. You can't call Amazon and say, hey, my washing machine's doing this, or my dryer's doing this, or my AC unit's doing this. The people that work here really care. They really enjoy doing their jobs, and they enjoy helping people, whether it's a service tech or whether it's a homeowner, solve their problems. It means a lot to us. I truly enjoy coming to work every day. "12 months out of the year, we have just about any part you need to fix just about any appliance, air conditioning, or heating product. We even have an after-hour service. If somebody needs a part, we have people that will come down here and meet you and get your part after hours if it's an emergency and you have to do that. At the end of the day, we want the customer's problem to get handled. Whether you buy a part from me or whether you go to a recommendation of ours for somebody to come out and look at it, because a lot of times you have to have a service man these days to be at the machine to check it out. We just want your problem fixed. That's all that matters to us. The greatest reward working here is getting the feedback from the customers, knowing you helped someone take care of their problem, whether it was an AC or an appliance part that they needed in a timely fashion.